Close is designed to make it easy for users to view, respond to, and record incoming SMS and email messages from contacts right from the CRM, as well as efficiently compose, send, and record outbound messages, either one at a time or to groups of contacts at once. During this tutorial, I'll walk through how to set up each of these channels and demonstrate how to use them inside Close. In previous tutorials, we covered setting up connected email accounts and phone numbers in Close. Once these steps are complete, users will be ready to configure their email and SMS settings. To configure email, navigate to Settings. Under Communication, click to select the email option. There are just a few additional steps to complete before sending your first email. Add an email signature that will appear at the footer of every email sent from Close. Toggle to enable email tracking. Once this is enabled, emails that have been opened will display the email opened icon. Next, let's talk about sending and receiving SMS using the number you've procured or ported over into Close. Before you begin sending SMS, please note that federal law in some areas may prohibit sending SMS without approval from our carrier, Twilio. If your team is sending SMS to recipients in countries where there are additional requirements, including the US, users will first be prompted to provide registration information. The Close customer support team is here to help with this process. Close enables users to compose and send email and SMS messages from scratch, or create templates that will automatically populate messages with copy, which can save users tons of time. Templates may be created by managers or marketing departments and shared with users, or users may create their own templates for email and SMS. Let's start with email. To create a new email template, navigate to Settings. Under Communication, click to select Templates. Make sure that you've selected the Email tab, then click the New Template button on the right-hand side. Begin by naming the template. This is an internal name that your contacts will not see. As a best practice for Close account with multiple users, especially, develop some naming conventions for your template names. For example, a user may label all of their personal templates with their initials so they are easy to identify and search for quickly. Next, create the subject line for the email and either type or copy and paste text into the body of the email. To add personalization to the email, simply insert template tags, which will add text stored in fields on the lead record in Close. For example, the contact's first name and company name. Use rich text editing tools to add additional formatting, such as bold and italicized text, underlines, and colors. Highlight text and then click the link icon to create hyperlinks. Click the paperclip to include an attachment to the template. And finally, if this is an email template that you'd like to share with others on your team, click to toggle on the Share option. To set up an SMS template, navigate to Settings. Under Communication, click to select Templates. Make sure that you've selected the SMS tab, then click the New Template button on the right-hand side. Similar to creating an email template, you must first name SMS templates, keeping in mind naming conventions that can help keep templates organized. Type or copy and paste text into the body of the text. Keep in mind that single texts have character restrictions of 140 characters per text. Should you exceed this limit, a text will be split into multiple texts and carrier fees will apply. And finally, click to toggle on the Share option to share this SMS template with the rest of your team. Now that we've covered how to set up email and SMS templates, let's talk about sending and receiving email and SMS in Close. Incoming SMS and email messages from contacts within your CRM will surface in the inbox and be recorded on the corresponding leads record in the activity feed. Users may respond to incoming messages directly in the inbox. For SMS, click to open the message, type a response, and click to send. For email, click to open the email. Click Reply, Reply All, or Forward to compose a response. Either select an applicable template or type out a response. Then, decide when the message should be sent, and if you'd like a reminder, in the event that the addressee does not respond. Close Email includes a feature that will remind users to follow up on emails that do not elicit a response from the recipient. To enable this feature, click to check the box to select if no reply. Select the reminder time using the drop-down menu and select the action. Either surface a reminder in the inbox or automatically enroll that contact in a workflow. If the contact responds within the set timeframe, the reminder is disabled. If you want the email to send right away, click Send. Or if you would like to delay sending, click the Send Later button and select your desired date and time. Once you hit Send, should you change your mind, you will have 10 seconds to click Undo Send, which will stop the email from being sent. In addition to responding directly from the inbox, SMS and email can be composed from a few other locations within Close. On the lead record, you can respond to an email in the activity feed by clicking Reply, Reply All or Forward to initiate the email. Likewise, click to respond to SMS. You can also click the Email or SMS button at the top of the Activities section, or click the email or SMS icons next to each contact's name. Bulk email may be initiated from any Smart View by navigating to the Smart View and clicking the Email button at the top of the page. You will be required to select an email template using this method. Additionally, email and SMS are both useful steps for workflows, a topic that we will focus on in a separate tutorial. Now that you know how to set up and use SMS and email, go ahead, try it out. There's no time like the present to create a few templates and send some test emails. From all of us at Close, thanks for watching.